Nintendo Switch. Show you what's going on. It's pretty clear. The shop was complaining that it was shorting out their equipment, and you can see why it was shorting out their equipment. Get a nice quick picture of that. Okay, we will disassemble, we will remove the port, and then we'll test from there. Okay, we're set up, or we've got the board out of the housing and we're set up to work on the port. I'm going to set up my equipment. While I'm doing that, I'll throw the temperatures up. We'll only use the Pico pencil if we have to run jumpers, but you never know. Okay. Let's go to the microscope. We'll do what we always do. We will flood with low melt. Okay, let's see how we did. All right, I don't see any pull pads, so that's a good sign. Let's flip the board over, because everything we'll be doing from now on will be from the other side. Let's clear any bridges that we have caused. Okay, no more bridges. Let's connect our multimeter. And let's see if we have any secondary issues. We will start with N92T36 as always. This capacitor links to P13 USB, which is on the other side of the board. Seems okay. Okay, N92T36 seems alright. Let's continue. Seem okay around the MOSFETs. Filter is fine. Check our fuse. Fuse is good. Check our coil. It's good. This is a BQ24193. Everything seems good around it. Let's check our P13 USB. We want these to be continuous straight through, not side to side. Okay, find our circle of ground. It appears that these folks have gotten lucky, at least so far. All right, so with that, we do not appear to have any secondary issues. So we will clean up the port area. Try to get you focused in there. We'll clean up the port area and then we'll prepare for another port and then we'll do some testing. Okay, I think we're about ready for a test. Yeah, it should be fine for a test. We'll clean it up more afterwards. Alright, click our power on. The power will be on the bottom left. Okay, that seems relatively normal. Let's flip it over, make sure we get the same behavior on both sides. Yeah, seems relatively normal. Okay, all it's left to do now is put it back in the housing and put it together enough to test, and then we'll bring it back over and run some tests. Okay, we're ready to try with a known good battery. This is my known good. So it's been sitting around. Seems like ever since the Xbox Series X and the PS5 came out, I have not had a whole lot of call for switch repairs. But today is a twofer, so it may be picking back up. Alright, watch the power on the bottom left. Pump to boot. Full battery symbol, good sign. Good logo. And we're in the housing. I don't think you can see that very well. But anyway, we booted up. And we have touch. I'm going to try on the other side. Make sure it recognizes on the other side. That battery's full, so it does recognize on the other side. Okay. We will reassemble entirely. Shut it down. And then we'll come back and perform some tests with the Joy-Cons and make sure it picks up the internet, and then we'll do a dock test. We're back. Okay, as you can see, we are back up and running. The battery has enough charge in it now. It is charging both Joy-Cons, and they seem to be working fine. Okay, let's check out our internet and make sure it's good. I just like to make sure it's picking up. And it is. All right. I'm going to set up for dock, and we'll be right back for that. Okay, and as you can see, we are dock syncing. Go straight to capture. And there we go. That is the end of this repair. I appreciate you watching. If you have any question about the equipment I use, it's in the description below. If you liked the video, please smash the like button. And if you like the channel, please smash the subscribe button. It would definitely help the channel. See you next time.